Hello, I'm Patricia Low. I'm a journalist, a health advocate, an NCD advocate. I am the chair of Nairobi NCDs advocacy chapter, that is one of the county chapters under the NCD Alliance of Kenya. From Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025, I was attending the first ever NCD conference at the Agile Grand Hotel in Nairobi, Kenya. And I've had the chance and the honor to meet leaders in the NCD space who have great knowledge and experiences in the advocacy, care, management, diagnosis of NCDs. It has been a great and wonderful experience. One of the key takeaways from this conference, as a health advocate, as an NCD advocate, is integration. We need to integrate NCDs with other diseases. As much as we know that the financing of NCDs is pitiful, very low, we need to integrate NCDs, healthcare, with other sectors. For us to achieve an NCD-free Kenya, we need to integrate every individual, be you a lived experience, be you a caregiver, be you just a concerned citizen, a person in media. We need integration. There is this line, this quote I believe I had from a very great man: dead from them, run from them, NCDs catch up all the same. So let's not wait and face the cost of inaction. Let's take action now, because we are the change. Thank you.